Hi, in this video I want to show you how to knit socks with the Picot edging. Most socks are knitted with the ribbing pattern across the cuff, but a Picot edging is a pretty neat detail to add to more elegant patterns like this one. First, you need to cast on your stitches as usual. I cast on 64 stitches in total. After the cast on, knit 5 full rounds of knit stitches. If you want your cuff to be longer, you can knit more rounds, but I think 5 is perfect for this pattern. After you have finished the 5 rounds of knit stitches, you knit the round that will become the Picot edge. Place the working yarn in front of the needle to make a yarn over, then knit 2 stitches together. Yarn over and again knit 2 stitches together. Continue until you are back at the beginning of the round. Next, knit another 5 rounds of knit stitches, or if you have knitted more than 5 rounds in the beginning, just knit the same amount of rounds. As you can see, the cuff kind of naturally folds down where the round with the yarn overs is, and that is exactly what we want. In the next round, we will knit the stitches of our very first round and the stitches of the last round together. To make this easier, I like to secure the fold of the cuff with a few clips. That way I can see more clearly where I need to insert the needle to make the cuff as even as possible. Insert your needle into the first stitch and then into the stitch that is underneath it. Pull the yarn through both stitches and let the stitch slide off your needle. Again, insert the needle into the stitch, look for a good place to insert it into underneath it, and pull the yarn through. Sometimes it's hard to tell where to place the next stitch, but I just insert the needle into some place that is near my current stitch, and I make sure that I insert the needle under at least 2 strands of yarn. This doesn't have to be perfect, since the back of the work will be on the inside. Continue until you are back at the beginning of the round. Since this takes me forever to do, I just cut to the last few stitches of the round. The last few stitches are a bit trickier to knit, but the result will be worth it. After this round, you can jump right into the pattern for the leg of your sock. The pattern I have chosen for this sock is my tea rose pattern. If you want to know how to knit the rest of the sock, you can find the link to the written pattern in the info box below. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave a comment below as usual. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon!